That flock of birds just passed overhead as the sun is just starting to clear the clouds. Now the sun will just get bright and it will be very hot again today. At least in the 90s. What a wonderful opportunity we have to see the beauty of nature here out in the countryside with a clear view of the horizon almost. A little bit of obstruction by the Sierra Nevada mountains in the distance, but very little. And looks like that flock of birds is circling around again. I think it's the same flock. We will turn in for the morning. Thank you, Almighty, for the beautiful mercy of the sunrise in Esparto on Tuesday, the 16th of July, 2024.